Hi friends, today I wanted to make another video about how to make a paper aeroplane. This one is called the Dart and it goes pretty fast and far. It's a good one to bring outside on a day like this because it's really nice and you could make a couple and have races and stuff. Okay, so the first step is to fold the paper in half, long ways. And just make sure you push down really hard so that it makes a really good crease. Open it back up. Next, we have to bring one of the corners to the middle. So we're kind of making a triangle shape. Do the same with the other. And I'm pushing down on my creases. So once you have this shape, then you're gonna fold in, you're gonna grab this point and you're gonna bring it to the middle line that runs all the way down. So it's gonna look like that. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. And you should have this kind of shape. After that, we're just gonna keep folding until we can't fold anymore. We're always folding our sides to the middle. So we're gonna go grab the side, bring it to the middle line, and crease it. Do the same on the opposite side. Now the plane is getting pretty small, but I think we can do it one more time. So I'm gonna bring this side to the middle. And do the opposite side. Okay, and it should look like that. And once you've folded all of your sides to the middle and you can't fold anymore because it's too small, what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over and then you're gonna fold it in half and it will be super slim. And then the part where all the paper comes, that's gonna be the part you hold to throw your dart. Let's give it a try. All right, let's give it a throw, see if it works. Anthony also made one, so we're going to have a race. Are you ready?
Yep.
2, 1, go! See you later, friends. I hope you get to try this, and I really hope that you get out to enjoy the sunshine today. It's quite beautiful. I even noticed there's a little squirrel in a tree, even enjoying it, if you can see it. I thought that was super cute.